Morning and welcome to Trending News TV. I want to believe you have been watching our YouTube videos, and in case you have not subscribed, please try and subscribe so that you can get up-to-date information as regards happening in Nigeria and the world over. There seems to be hope for Empower beneficiaries who have been exited and who have not been paid their due allowances based on the protests that they had in Abuja sometimes in June. According to information reaching Trending News, the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, Hajia Sadiya Umar Farouk, says discussions are ongoing to ensure that exited and eligible Empower beneficiaries are absorbed into government programs. Farouk, in a statement on Thursday in Abuja by a special assistant on media, Mrs. Nneka Anibese, said exited beneficiaries should exercise more patience and await the result of our efforts. According to her, she said, we have directed focal persons of national social investment programs in the state to submit an updated list of the exited Empower beneficiaries that are interested in participating in the transition plans of the ministry. Meanwhile, approval has been given for the payment of the outstanding stipends for the exited Empower batches A and B beneficiaries. Their approval for payments for up to the month of June 2020 for the two batches has already been forwarded to the Office of the Accountant General of the Federation for final checks and payments. She further by saying the only outstanding approval waiting to be forwarded to AGF's office is for the payments of July stipend for batch B beneficiaries. She said the ministry said it has requested for the details of those affected and the reasons for their rejection from the AGS office and promised to communicate that to the affected beneficiaries. However, if the rejection was done in error, those affected should rest assured that they will be paid all that is due to them as soon as the error is rectified by the AGS office. The statement added. Umar Farouk also explained that the batches A and B Empower beneficiaries knew from the beginning as they were informed that the program was for 24 months. She said the non-disagreement of batch A beneficiaries after 24 months was done out of exigency of the time. Meanwhile, Empower people have started reacting to the development that they will also appreciate if that is done to actually absorb them into the system because there are no employment anywhere. And they believe that the experiences that they have garnered will help even the country at this particular trying time. From Trending News TV, please keep subscribing. God be with you and have a glorious day ahead. Good morning.